What's again, please?
Let me read it again.
Yes, please.
Okay. I wish I had the courage to express my feelings. That's a regret.
Madam Topic Master, a fellow Toastmasters. There are a few times that I wished I would have had the courage to express myself more. That's one reason I came in Toastmasters, because at work I was terrified in a group meeting to express my opinions and my ideas. And I don't have a regret. Well, I did regret I couldn't then, but I saw the problem with Toastmasters. And my 1 minute is up, so I turned a regret into positive thinking.